Right guys, so I've got another vacuum cleaner. The other one didn't want to do my carpets. So I've actually got an upright this time. Not a cordless, it's a plug-in with a lead. It comes with a user guide, Vax Pet, Edge Pet and Care leaflet. You've got your adapters here. They all fit in each other, which is really good. But this, your long pointy one. You pull it out for a bit further. You've got a brush, and then if you take it off, there's a little button there. Lets you take out this, and then you can turn it round. And then you've got your upholstery type adapter. And then do that again. And you've got your crevice tool. So yeah, so that's what comes with that. I've always got another attachment. This is the pet attachment. And if you notice, everything's in paper now, no plastic. So this, I like the design of this. These little brushes in there. So that looks pretty cool. Again, the actual vacuum, which is quite heavy. So we've got the handle. And that just slips in here, and it clicks in place. On the side, lower down, we have this, which is where you can clip your attachments. That is the vac, and the difference with this, the underneath has got two rollers. So we've got this one that will pick up, push anything in really, and then your brush, because some of the brushes here, like this, would miss certain things, and that's why they've got that in. Some of them come with a combination of having one of these with brushes as well. But this one is unique, and it's actually a double brush. The vacuum cleaner comes with the ability to remove both of the rollers. Here you put in a coin and you just twist, and you can pull them out and remove them for cleaning and maintenance. You can unclip the whole thing and pick it up and carry it around with you while it's plugged in, and you can stand it and you can be using the hose. Now I'll show you how to put this hose. Just press the back release and you can lift your hose up. But to use this, you need to take out the hose from here, like so, and then connect that into the back here. That's pretty simple, pretty quick. And this hose has got quite a bit of stretch on it, but now you can do that, and you can unconnect it, which like that, and you can carry it around, walk around the house, hoover it, doing whatever you want to do. And if you need to go higher up, you can lift this up in the air a little bit. It's not too heavy, and you can balance it and stand it, you know, or you want to go to your car. Some people might want to, some people do look for vacuums that they can clean their car with. Because when you're finished, you unclip that, pressing the back button here, pulling it off, and then reattaching that back there. So it's pretty easy to connect, disconnect. The thing is I liked about this particular vacuum is it's very similar to the Dyson that I've got or had, where you've basically got a bottom release. So when this is full of dust and everything, you simply press this button, see, straight into the bin. It's also got a cyclone here, and then reattach that. The filters are also washable. Generally you can wash the HEPA filters. To get to the filter, you press the first button there, which releases the canister. And then here, underneath is a grip. And all you do is push down on the front, press in there, and pull up. You pull up, and there's your filter. This can be taken out, and you can rinse that with water. To pull it out, you just grab that little bit there, and this can be rinsed. And the other filter is here, and you twist that off, which it says do not wash. Okay, so there's two filters in there to keep the allergens out and the dust out. Okay, just clip that back on. There's a secondary filter. They just need to be replaced maybe every few months or every year, depends how often you use it. Okay, let's look at powering it up. This has got a 9-meter power cord. Once it's plugged in, this is the power button, and this is to rotate the head. Okay, but the only time that the head's like rollers will come on is when it's tilted. And when the rollers go on, the lights come on as well. As you notice, it's steerable, which is another great feature with this vacuum. Now the brushes should be on for carpets and hard floor. Off for delicate flooring and flooring that is not suitable for use with a rotating brusher, and or deep pile carpets. I mean, deep pile carpets you can have the roller on if you want. If it does manage to go round, fine. If it doesn't, you know, just go along with the air suction. The hose itself, you see me take that off. You can take it off and then you can add the nozzle. So you can take it off. And you can add it here for whichever nozzle you decide to use. So you've got crevice, the brush, and a type of upholstery tool there. And then if you want to, you can put the pet brush on that. Now that was a good thing with that. You don't have to put the button on to make it spin, to rotate. You just basically go straight to air and it works. Now as you can see, it stands up fine. It's locked in. It's not wobbling over.